I'm going to be installing a 6AN fuel line from the low pressure pump up to the high pressure pump. Oh, I'm kind of good at this though. Fuck. So I'm actually gonna run it up, down, and all the way up to the ethanol sensor. Alright, so here's what I came up with to make my own 6AN fuel line kit. God damn it. You know, you would think you would be able to open a Ziploc fucking bag with one hand, brother. Shit. Alright. So I got 10 feet of nylon braided AN line. I hope it's right. I mean, I hope it's long enough or whatever. And then I got a 2-pack of these, just push connectors for the fuel pump, 3/8. And then I got a 6AN. Yeah, a 6AN to go onto the ethanol sensor with the Viton seals. Viton or whatever that's ethanol safe. And then a 6AN barbed fitting to go from here to the hose. So literally it's just one hose and 2 fittings. So I hope it isn't that much trouble. Alright, so next step for the fuel line is I gotta pull the back seat out. Obviously my son's car seat. And I'm not gonna film that. You just pop it up, slide it out. You just pull it over the clips. It's not too hard. Well, that's my bad. I forgot to show you that part, but I unhooked all the electronics from the fuel pump, and then I started the car and let the car run out of gas so that there'll be no fuel in the line. I mean, there'll probably be a little bit of residual shit in there, but it won't be under pressure now. Alright, well, this video will have to wait till another day because the quick connect I bought only works if the barb is up at the top, not at the bottom. So I needed this style. I need this style where the clip is at the bottom. Alright, so this video is picking up where the fuel line video install left off. Well, I guess right now. It's 3/8 to 3/8. I've also removed that big splash guard. And right now I'm gonna go up front and unbolt the, I'll pull this fuel line off real quick, I guess. And how's this one come off? I don't know how that one comes off. I'll check back in. Alright, so this hose is disconnected. I pulled the coolant ball out to get to this bracket that holds these in. Just gotta pop that out. Alright, well, the line is through here. I just gotta see how much room we have back here. Alright, so the camera's about to die. I didn't bring the charger with me, but I have the line ran up here. I had to step out to grab some hose clamps. The line will go straight to the ethanol sensor. Then the line runs down, up. Probably can't see it. And then it comes around here, straight through, and I'll try and find my charger. Alright, so as you can see, I skipped a lot of the install, but it's in now. I put together my own system for 6AN lines, or just one line, but I contacted Precision Raceworks about running their fuel rail, so I can run this line directly to the fuel rail and directly to the high pressure pump, instead of the way the APR does it, where it goes up to the high pressure pump, but it also goes back down to the multi-port injection. But that's it's gonna be a wrap on that. We're just ready to get in. We're just ready to get the car retuned now. And Richard's working on changing his oil in his TDI. So I'm gonna pack this one up, help Richard out, and I guess that's gonna be it for this video. So thanks for watching.